What's up, everybody? Welcome to Gray Rabbit Finance. I'm your host, Tyler, and today I'm going to be updating the Ichimoku technical analysis for gold US dollar for the months of September to October 2024. Let's hop in. All right, here we are on the monthly chart, and I just want to say thank you for liking and subscribing. It really helps me and my family, so thanks, guys. Really appreciate that. And so right now, guys, on the monthly chart here, we have a spinning top doji candle forming. Now we have 23 days until this candle closes. But you can see that last month's candle had a smaller body than the previous month. So this is showing me that we could possibly be losing some momentum in this market just based off the price action. In terms of Ichimoku, we have all 5 lines are flat right now: Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, Senko span A and B, and we have the Chikou span above the candles. So right now this is a bullish Kumo cloud and we have a bull trend. But when these lines start to flatten out, it shows us that we could possibly be in for a retracement. Now, let me look at the stochastic. So the stochastic here is heading to the overbought levels, and we could be finding that we get a death cross soon. So we're going to need to keep an eye on that. And we also have the LTI, which is also overbought. So we could be seeing that come back down into the sweet spot and turn bearish soon also. Now, let me turn on my time cycles. So guys, in terms of time, we are now reaching one of the Henkabis, which was between now and October 1st, that I expected that we should be seeing a reversal in the market. And so I'm expecting that based off of this candle to happen between now and October. And from that point, we could be seeing a retracement. And so I'm expecting this retracement to target this level here, the $2,423 level. And so that's going to be our first area of support that we need to look for. And then obviously I have this higher target reaching next year off this major trend line. So we're going to need to see how long this retracement and consolidation takes to occur. But right now, this is my idea that we're going to be retracing soon. Now, let's move to the weekly chart. And you can see too on the weekly that we have also, a pretty strong bull trend here. Price is above the Tenkan-sen. We've got Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen pointing up, and the Senko span A pointing up. However, Senko span B is flat, and so that tells me that we could be seeing a retracement soon. And we're also getting this. This is called an ending diagonal, and so this is a form of price action at the end of usually at the end of a move up and the end of a trend. So this looks like the price action is starting to round out at the top here, and this is another example of why we might have a retracement. Now, the stochastic here is also overbought. However, we did just have a gold cross, so we're going to need to wait for that to death cross, and then same here, we're going to need a cross back into the bearish zone. But it looks like we're forming a lower high right now on this indicator, which is my Gray Rabbit LTI indicator. Now, guys, I just want to reiterate and summarize. So, if this candle forms into a doji this month, I'm expecting the price to retrace back down to the cloud here, and so this is my level 2,277, and that could be heading towards the end of the year. And then our next support level would be down here at the 2,075. But this is where I'm looking at first. Like I said, at the end of this month, price and time will be balanced. So we should be looking for a retracement then. And now let's move on to some fundamental news. All right, guys, this is a tweet I found from @silver_Santa, and it says, the new BRICS unit is for 40% pegged to gold. October may get interesting. So the BRICS summit is going to be in October, and there's been talks about backing their new BRICS unit with 40% gold. And so it says a unit project assumes that the value of the common unit of account is pegged by 40% to the value of gold, and by the remaining 60% to a basket of national currencies of the BRICS countries. This approach can make it a convenient and universal instrument, Mikhalishin said. Sorry, I might have butchered that name. Sorry, Mikhalishin. When you have a unit of account that can be converted into any national currency, it is more convenient for you to hold it since it is a more liquid instrument, he said. So pretty interesting. We're going to need to keep our eye on October. But there have been some articles floating around that Russia is going to start doing all of its oil trade in gold, and they've increased their gold purchases by over 600% for the upcoming month. So that is some very big news. If you haven't seen my if you haven't seen my oil analysis, that's where I talk about the article. But I'll also link it below here. But yeah, guys, what do you think about the gold price? You think we're gonna take a little bit of a breather on this bull market, or you think we're gonna keep going up? Let me know what you think. What's your short-term outlook? And guys, if you want to learn more about trading, feel free to join my Discord community. There you can find my free trading strategy PDF and a lot of really good resources for learning how to trade. And as always, guys, thank you so much for liking and subscribing. Until next month, peace.